change this out now. This is basically the cabin air filter. So just about every vehicle has the cabin air filter behind here. So we're going to go ahead and clean out the glove box. All right, I got that done. So now we just got to figure out how this one, as you can see, right there is where your filter goes. First thing we're going to do is the little part right here. We're going to get this off. Now it looks like you just pull. Yep. So that's out of the way now, because that's what basically holds it and slows it down, dampens it as it opens. So now that's out of the way. There's, it's hard to see, inside there's a bumper there, and there's one on this side too. So what you do is you kind of squeeze each side in and you can swing it down, but I need both hands for that. All right, so I squeezed it in. Now you can see the little bumps that I was talking about here. Those just catching these little grooves on each side. So now that that's out, this is where our filter's at. So now just squeeze that side, squeeze that side. And I can't squeeze with both hands. Right back. Oh, so we got the cover off. Now it's just a simple matter of pulling the old one out, and you can see this is a 2019, so it hasn't been done. So there's a few years worth of crap in there. So now we're gonna get the new one out, slide it in, and make sure there's no pieces or anything inside there. You can see the little blower motor. But I'm gonna get the other one out and be right back. All right, we got the other one here. So now it's just a matter of sliding it in and then getting this piece put back on. As you can see, essentially what it does is it snaps on each side, but I can't do that with one hand, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now once you get it lined up, it's literally just snap it back in. That's all good to go. And then when you come back up your glove box, you see these two pieces on the side. If you just give a little bit of push, now it's locked back in again. Now you can put the damper back on. It just slides. And now that we're good to go, we have all that back on, glove box back in, and you can see it latches, and it's still the slow dampening open. So air filter is all done. Just so you can see a little better, you can see how bad this air filter was compared to the new one, because this one is very dark. It used to be just pure white, and once again, there is the one we used.